How to use Nano Banana. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how we can use Nano Banana. Nano Banana is a new image generation feature built directly into Google Gemini. To use it, first of all, you need to update the Gemini app. Ensure you have the latest version of the Google Gemini by going to the App Store or Play Store. This is crucial to access the Nano Banana feature. Now open the Gemini app, switch to 2.5 Flash model at the top of the interface. This model already includes the Nano Banana tool, making it ready to generate images. To begin using Nano Banana, simply type a description of the image you want to create. Be as detailed as possible. For example, I have typed create a beautiful image of Switzerland mountain in an ultra-realistic form like it was taken from a professional DSLR camera. Now, Nano Banana is highly flexible, allowing you to be creative with your prompts. Instead of just requesting a generic image, try to be more specific. For example, type in make a snowy mountain range at sunrise with golden light reflecting on the peaks, ultra realistic like DSLR photo. The more details you describe, the better the results will be. You can ask Nano Banana to generate images in various styles such as vintage film look, pixel art, cartoon style. Experiment with different styles to see how Nano Banana adapts to your creative request. Once Nano Banana generates your image, you can save it, share it on social media, or use it as inspiration for other creative projects. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.